Okay, hey. So here's another video to introduce you, a short tutorial to introduce you another affiliate program. And in this time would be the infamous Amazon. So for for some of you who still believe, right, to create online income, especially multiple streams of income, right, in collaboration, in partnerships with this affiliate marketing opportunities provider, and Amazon could be one of your choice. And also for some of you, which I receive a lot of comments, right, on my AliExpress, right, affiliate marketer tutorial video, right, and I receive a lot of comments and also a lot of engagement on the tutorial video. And I came to realize that in some parts of the world, that people are, uh, those third parties platform whom they self-proclaim, right, that they are, in partnership with AliExpress, providing affiliate marketing program for people to earn commissions online. Okay, so they have been so-called, and unfortunately they have been scammed. So so in on that note, right, so if you believe that there is real, okay, legitimate affiliate marketing business opportunities, right, so in this tutorial, I hope I can help you to set up to partner Amazon. Although I think Amazon is as famous, as popular shopping website as compared to AliExpress internet. So we can continue, right? So I'm going to flip the camera over and show you on my laptop, right? I'll briefly run you through. And in fact, for Amazon, it's even easier to get your affiliate marketer product unique link to promote as compared with AliExpress. There are more steps to be taken for the AliExpress. For Amazon, it's even quicker to get your product unique link, and then you can post it in your short videos to market whatever product that you want that is extracted from the Amazon shopping website. So here we go. Okay, so let's first start with why can you become this to start your journey as an affiliate marketer with Amazon, right, is that you have to go to this Amazon associate portal. And how you go there is, let's say I demonstrate to you, and you can open up a new tab, and then after that you type on the keyword Amazon, right, Amazon affiliate. Also for this instance I already get it done, so I just put the keyword, and then you look for this thing, okay, Amazon.com associate central, right, you click on it, and then after that if you're new, right, you click on the sign up. So I already done my signing up, so I'm already an affiliate marketer with Amazon, so I just sign in mine, right, so I just sign in mine. So there you are. Okay, sorry, I will sign again. So if you count. Okay, so once I've done the sign in, okay, so this is the part where I already sign in. So this is my store ID, real Fu 01-32, right? Okay, with usually it's registered with your different email, but so simple as that. So this is the main dashboard, and there are tools for you. And if you don't know how to get your unique product affiliate link to start your to market the product that you desire, right? So you can come here and read some simple instructions. So but nonetheless, I'll go straight to where you can extract the link. So this is now the website for the this is the Amazon shopping website. As you can see, this is a Singapore region, right, in the Singapore dollar currency. So this is my shopping account with Amazon, right? I'm an Amazon Prime member. Okay, so there are some perks from my Amazon Prime member. So now you see here, extract, right? So let's say you have chosen a certain product. Let's say you want to promote about the gadget, say about this one. So you click on this. So you'll come there, you see over here, right? Already show up this product link. You see the shipping link is down here. So what you do is you see the link, and it's so simple for you. That's it. And they will generate the link for you. So thereafter, so you have two versions, the short link, which is neat and tidy. Another one is the full link. So probably this is for some other purposes. For example, you want to do, this is more advanced level, that you're going to place it on your website. So when you do that, however, I will recommend you the short link. So after you just click and you copy it. So when you've done that, right, that means officially you can take this link and you can, paste it in your videos, okay, and you can paste it in your videos description or caption or whatever way that you can have access to when you publish your marketing video of the product that you have chosen to market, right? So thereafter, simple as that, when someone, your target audience, click on the link, right, your dedicated link that I have shown you how to get it, right, it is like a form of tracking ID that is traced back to you. So about any successful transaction of that product, right, okay, by your potential customers, is this information will be captured and reflected in your affiliate portal, and then they will calculate the commissions for you. And of course, if you want to know for the different category that how much commission that you can earn, right, there is a white table for you to refer to, so you can go and take your pick for whatever that you want to market using your video for. So simple as that. So and for Amazon, right, when you do the signing up, right, there's one more thing that you have to take note is to register your desired bank account, whereby Amazon will arrange for the commission to be transferred to your bank account. So simple as that. And also there's some tax information that is required of you in order to complete the entire registration. So I hope this short tutorial helps you to to have another opportunity. And for this instance, it's an Amazon affiliate program other than an AliExpress affiliate program. So if you want to learn more about creating multiple sources of income online, right, do remember to follow my channel. So I'll see you in the next video.